Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Ergin battery charger for rechargeable batteries. On the front of the box, we have an image of the charger with some batteries in it, some rechargeable batteries that is. On the bottom, we have some information about the different types of batteries that can be charged using this charger. It can charge 4 AAA batteries and 4 AA batteries, but not simultaneously. On the left hand side of the package, we have another image of the charger but without the batteries. On the bottom, we have some importing and manufacturing information along with the customer care information. On the right hand side of the package, we have some of the technical specifications which include an output value of 100 volts to 240 volts AC at 50 Hz, an output value of 2.4 volts DC at 240 milliamps. Over here, we have a few of the salient features, which include, as previously mentioned, two types of batteries being charged and four of each type. Over here, you can also see that it has two LEDs that show the charging status of the corresponding charging slot. It is also intelligent, which means that it will not charge the batteries if it is loaded incorrectly. It has a constant charging current and voltage to keep the battery life longer, and it also has protection against overheating and overcurrent. On the bottom, we have some cautionary information that we recommend that you read through thoroughly before you use the product, and right on the bottom, we have the Made in India symbol. The back of the box is exactly the same as the front. There's nothing on the bottom and there simply is some Ergin branding on the top. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the rechargeable battery charger itself. It has a glossy white color theme and is predominantly built from plastic. Up top, we have the Ergin branding. Underneath that, we have some information on the different types of batteries that can be charged. We have already covered that on the box. Underneath that, we have two LED lights that will indicate the charging status of each slot. And lastly, we have the charging slots. Over here, we can see that two types of batteries can be charged. On the outside, which is the bigger slot, will house the AA batteries, and these charging pins on the inside that you see will house the AAA batteries. On the back, we have a standard 2-pin Indian plug. The input and output electrical values are also mentioned over here. We have already covered that on the box. We also have some important cautionary information like do not charge 1.5 volts alkaline or carbon batteries as they might leak or explode. Also, do not mix the different battery types and only charge one battery type at a time, and it's also for indoor use only. So let's see this charger in action now. So here we have a power strip and four rechargeable AA batteries. Let's connect the charger to the power strip and install the batteries in its appropriate place. Power the power strip on, and as you can see, the light lights up immediately when you turn the device on, indicating that it is charging the batteries right now. Let's see that again when we install the other two batteries. And it lights up immediately when you install two batteries at a time. So this was the unboxing of the Ergin rechargeable battery charger. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.